Do you struggle with loud snoring or sleep apnea? There are many different causes, and at Tribeca Dental Studio, we can help you find out why. During your consultation, we'll take a CBCT scan to evaluate your airways, helping us identify what's really causing the problem. For just $49, you'll get a full evaluation, learn the reasons behind your symptoms, and discover treatment options designed to help you breathe better, giving you the oxygen you need and your partner the restful nights they deserve. Book your appointment today at Tribeca Dental Studio and start getting a good night's rest again.